Hi, today I'm reviewing Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first open the Play Store app and then in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will loading and then installing on your device. After that we just should open this application, that's why tap to open button, click allow and select one from these available applications which icons you wanna change. So for example, let's use the phone app. Just here we can rename the application if you want. Here we can see the library with the different icons with the folders of the icons, so we can use them or photos from our device gallery, or just to use the camera app just now to take a picture and set it on our icon. So for example, I'll use one from these available icons, then just tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we just should skip the ads, the videos, tap to add, and let's just click here to go to desktop, or you can change the next icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.